Climate change refers to the long-term alterations in global temperatures and weather patterns of the planet, primarily driven by human activities, notably the emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. We have consulted AI regarding this alarming and escalating issue. First, let's establish the context. What is the primary driver of climate change? OpenAI's GPT-4 artificial intelligence is unequivocal on this matter. The combustion of fossil fuels such as oil, gas, and coal, which release carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases into the atmosphere and Earth's oceans. Undoubtedly, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, the foremost international body for climate change assessment, has presented compelling scientific evidence that human actions are inducing unprecedented alterations in Earth's climate. We are witnessing increasing global temperatures. The Earth's average temperature has risen by over 1°C since the pre-industrial era, a change predominantly driven by the rising carbon dioxide and others. Emissions caused by human activity. Melting of ice and rising sea levels. The rate of sea level rise has nearly doubled since the first half of the last century, largely due to the melting of glaciers and ice sheets, along with warmer ocean temperatures causing seawater to expand. Extreme weather. There is mounting evidence that climate change is contributing to more frequent and intense meteorological phenomena, such as storms, heat waves, heavy rainfall, and flooding. Loss of biodiversity. Climate change is disrupting habitats and seasons, impacting flora and fauna worldwide. Some species are being pushed toward extinction due to these changes. Human impact. Climate change is expected to pose substantial risks to human health, food security, water supply, and economic growth, particularly in less developed countries with limited capacity to adapt to these changes. The IPCC asserts that urgent and unprecedented measures are required to achieve the goal set in the Paris Agreement, limiting global warming well below 2°C, preferably to 1.5 CE, compared to pre-industrial levels. While artificial intelligence, AI, doesn't hold its own opinions or beliefs, it can be employed to analyze, predict, and potentially mitigate the effects of climate change. In this regard, AI suggests that artificial intelligence, AI, can play a significant role in understanding, mitigating, and adapting to climate change through various factors such as predictive modeling. This includes using AI and machine learning to create more accurate climate models to predict future changes and understand complex climate dynamics. Additionally, AI can contribute to monitoring and detection, surveilling deforestation, ice melting, and changes in biodiversity at a scale beyond human capability. AI also maintains that AI tools can be crucial for carbon removal management, optimizing methods to capture and store carbon, like smart grids, for renewable energy and enhancing energy efficiency. In sectors such as transportation and manufacturing for climate change mitigation. Additionally, for predicting and managing natural disasters, AI can assist in forecasting natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, and forest fires, which are expected to become more frequent and severe due to climate change. Early prediction can help us prepare and potentially mitigate some of the damage. Similarly, AI can assist in predicting the consequences of climate change on local communities, aiding them in adaptation. For instance, AI can be utilized to forecast crop performance and guide farmers on planting and harvesting times. The trade-off. However, it's important to note that AI also carries a carbon footprint. Training large AI models requires substantial energy and computational resources. Therefore, the artificial intelligence community must strive to make it more energy efficient and rely on renewable energy sources. In summary, artificial intelligence has provided us with a precise data-driven perspective on climate change and its impacts. While we face urgent challenges, AI also emerges as a powerful tool for predicting disasters, optimizing solutions, and charting a path towards sustainability. Nevertheless, we must remember that AI also possesses its carbon footprint, underscoring the importance of a balanced and sustainable approach in the fight against climate change. Together, we can employ technology to create a more resilient and hopeful future for our planet.